So next up, Google dropped the Pixel Slate. So so you can think of this as the Pixel C, which was an Android, the last Android kind of tablet, 2-in-1 that kind of came out with, running Chrome OS with the build quality of the Pixelbook. So, instead of dropping the Chromebooks, Google's definitely shifted from, straight up laptop to Chrome OS tablets. So it's pretty much the same thing, it's just a 2-in-1 more versatile form factor. Acer has one, HP has one. Now Google's going to show you how they do one. So the Pixel Slate offers a 12.3-inch display with a 3000 by 2000 resolution, front-firing stereo speakers, front and rear cameras, fingerprint reader for security. We'll start off as low as a regular Intel Celeron processor and go all the way up to an 8th gen Core i7. You can go up to 16 gigs of RAM and up to 256 gigs of storage. And of course you have the power of Chrome OS with Android app support. You don't have any headphone jack, but you'll have to go Bluetooth for audio. That's fine. It's definitely feels like a more full-fledged thing, at least in the layout and the UI. It makes you feel that way. You have 2 USB-C ports. Now you wonder, like, all right, and you only need one for charging. This thing can, you can plug it up to a monitor and work from there, all that. They even had it set up with a mixer with turntables, so you can, use the DJ app with it, like with a real one. So that was actually pretty interesting to use. And then the audio sounds pretty good. The keyboard is a little interesting because, the Pixel keyboard that comes with it, you use round things. It looks like something Logitech would make. I think I read somewhere that they said that once people adapt to the rounded keyboard, they type faster. So that's the reason behind that design decision. So this thing things look impressive. It's big, the screen is beautiful, and everything is good to go with that. So Pixel Slate is due out later this year. So it starts at $600 with the Intel Celeron CPU and goes all the way up to $1,600, and that's with everything maxed out. Of course, you have to pay for everything separately, like everybody else does. The Pixel Slate keyboard costs you $200, and of course the pen will cost $100. And of course, for good measure, Google is throwing in 6 months of YouTube TV with your purchase. So yeah, there you have it. I was impressed with it. I didn't know what to expect with it, seeing the leaks and everything. So this was really made to take on the iPad Pro and the Surface, and I really think it can. So let us know what you think about it. Is this something you're looking forward to? Sound off in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us, and see you next video. Peace.